We gave battle, so we must show aggression. Defeat the enemy army or capture the settlement to claim victory.
Astarte! Jupiter gives us strength.
Slingers! Men of Italia!
Sons of Mars!
Astarte! Orders?
Come, soldiers! Draw your weapons! Raise a clamor and let the townsfolk know that Salernum gains its freedom this day! Now advance!
You do not have to order each unit individually, Commander. Group the army in a
Melee infantry ready! Astarte!
Proud Romans all!
Hold! Commander! Ordinum! Astarte! Melee troops! Break the lines!
Astarte!
Heavy slingers! Loose!
Astarte! Brave Romans to a man!
To arms! Melee infantry at your command!
We await the enemy!
Melee troops awaiting orders!
Italian swordsmen! Sons of Mars! Astarte! Ready for orders! Italian swordsmen!
Melee cavalry!
Riders at the double! Heavy slingers! Astarte! At the double! Melee infantry!
Proud Romans all!
Equites! Roma invicta! Advance at speed! Heavy slingers! Loose! Astarte! Equites!
Ready and waiting! Romans, ready for duty! Yes, Commander! Riders at the double! Break the line! Forward!
Swift melee cavalry!
It's for glory!
Equites! Cut them down!
For honor and
Astarte!
glory!
Melee troops!
Samnium shall fall.
Equities! Melee cavalry ready! Riders, advance!
Brave Romans
Orders!
to a man! Melee troops awaiting
Ready.
orders!
Victory for Rome!
Levy slingers!
Speak quickly.
Levy! Your orders? Missile infantry ready!
Say your piece. Quick march!
Equities!
Riders, advance!
Glory to Rome!
Enemy approaching, sir!
For the gods! Advance at speed!
Melee troops awaiting orders!
Equities!
Proud Romans all!
Levy slingers! Extend data to
Orders! Quick march! Victoria! Lead us!
Melee horsemen ready!
Equities!
Say your piece! Advance at speed!
Equities! Obediamus!
Forward! Riders at the double! Quickly now!
Ready and waiting! Advance at speed!
Swift riders at your command! Riders advance!
Orders! Quick march! Advance at speed! Victory for Rome! Death and glory! We await the enemy.
Equities! Extempo!
Riders at the double!
Let them go, my soldiers! Let them run back to their mountain hideaways and prepare their barricades. They have felt the strength of Rome, and will feel it again when we come for Rutilus. Rejoice, for we are victorious!
Proconsul Gaius Fulvius Silanus, your campaign against the Samnites has been so impressive, it's little surprise that the Senate have chosen to place full civil and military power in your hands. No doubt you've heard of the staggering ransom the Samnites are demanding for the return of Consul Rutilus. We cannot consider payment. He must be regained by force. You gain experience from your victories, Silanus. Be sure to make use of your newfound wisdom.